If you've been looking into crypto platforms that let you earn interest, borrow against your assets, or grow your portfolio without selling, then you've probably heard of Nexo. It's one of the oldest and most talked about crypto lending platforms. And in 2026, it's still a major name in the space. But the big question is Nexo really worth using? And is it the best crypto platform available today? Let's break it down honestly and practically. Nexo positions itself as a one-stop crypto finance ecosystem. At its core, the platform lets you do three main things: earn interest on your crypto and stablecoins, borrow against your assets using crypto as collateral, and spend with its Nexo card or transfer funds wherever you want. On the surface, that sounds great, but the value depends on how these features actually work in real life. Let's start with earning interest. This is one of the reasons many people join Nexo. You deposit supported crypto or stablecoins into your Nexo wallet, and Nexo pays you interest over time. In 2026, interest rates vary by asset, but popular stablecoins like USDC or USDT often pay competitive yields compared to traditional finance. Interest accrues daily and compounds, so in a rising rate environment, your balance can grow faster than if it sat in a normal wallet. One of the big advantages Nexo has preserved over the years is its custody structure. Unlike some platforms that loan your assets without clear risk controls, Nexo claims that users' principal is protected by insurance and reserve structures. This gives a peace of mind that's especially valuable in a market that's had its fair share of exchange collapses and lending platform failures. Now let's talk about borrowing against crypto. Nexo lets you use your crypto as collateral to take out a loan in fiat or stablecoins. This means you can access liquidity without selling your crypto and triggering a taxable event. The loan-to-value ratio depends on the asset. For example, Bitcoin or Ethereum may let you borrow up to 50 to 70% of their value, while other tokens may be lower. The interest rates are competitive, especially if you choose to accept your loan in Nexo tokens or stake them for better terms. Borrowing can be powerful, but it comes with risk. If your collateral loses value and you're borrowing near the maximum ratio, you may face margin calls, meaning you have to add more collateral or risk liquidation. So while Nexo makes borrowing accessible, it's still important to manage risk carefully. Another part of the Nexo ecosystem is the Nexo card, a crypto-backed card that lets you spend without selling your crypto holdings. This is useful if you want to borrow on the go and use the credit line for everyday expenses. Cashbacks in crypto, flexible repayment options, and no hidden markup on conversion are some of the perks that stand out compared to traditional cards. Security and regulation are crucial for any platform in 2026. And Nexo has taken steps to stay compliant in many jurisdictions. The company holds licenses in various regions, and its custodial partners are often insured. That said, crypto is still a relatively new regulatory area, and policies can shift. Users should always check what services are available in their location and what protections apply. Now, is Nexo the best crypto platform? The honest answer depends on what you're comparing it to. If your goal is crypto earning and lending in one place with a long track record, Nexo is absolutely one of the strongest options, especially for users who value simplicity and a unified interface. However, best is subjective. Some platforms specialize in higher yields but come with higher risk. Others offer decentralized lending with no KYC, and still others integrate deeply with DeFi ecosystems. If you're a power user who wants direct access to decentralized protocols, Nexo's centralized nature might feel limiting. If you're brand new to crypto and want user-friendly features, Nexo can feel more approachable than fragmented DeFi interfaces. In short, Nexo is not perfect, and it isn't the universal best for every type of user. But as of 2026, it's one of the most trusted, versatile, and complete crypto lending and earning platforms available. If your priority is a reliable place to earn interest, borrow against your assets, and manage crypto finances in one place, it's definitely worth trying. If this review helped you decide whether Nexo fits your goals, leave a like, subscribe for more honest crypto platform breakdowns, and tell me in the comments, are you more interested in earning or borrowing with crypto? I'll see you in the next video.